Welcome, it's DC. I'm back again with another booming crash scalping strategy. This strategy is more profitable and more accurate. So if you are looking for a strategy which you can use to grow your small account, please stay tuned. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share, and also like this video. Okay, so this is what I mean. You can see what we have here. Before I start explaining the strategy, let's first of all look at the settings, how we are going to set up our chart so that we have something like this. So we're gonna go here. Okay, we'll go here where there's this small F icon. We click it. Then I'm gonna delete everything. I'm going to delete everything. Let me delete everything. So once you are here, you have to come to this part. You click this F icon, click it. So we're gonna start with the setup on the main chart. So we're gonna be using the moving average. This is the moving average, and these are the parameters that we're gonna be making use of. So with the period, we're gonna use period 1, then shift, we will use shift 10. Then the method is simple, apply to close, and the color we're gonna change, and we're gonna use blue. So you can take a screenshot so that you can have these settings. Once you're done, you simply click done. So if you go back on our chart, we now have this line, this blue line, which is our moving average. Then we're gonna come back now. Then we go again to the F icon. Then we click it. Once we click it, we go again to the this one, relative strength index. This one, we click it. When we click it, these are the parameters. So the relative strength index is going to be used only for the levels. We are interested in the levels. So you can put period 1, apply to close, style. You can leave it like this, or you can put the color of your background. But when the period is on 1, it will not show. So once you are done, then we go on to the levels. You click here on the levels. We have level 90 and level 10. Then we go back. Once you have these settings, you click done. We now have this bottom part. We now have our indicators window here. This is what we have. Then once we are done, we're gonna put another indicator there. So for you to insert the indicator here on the indicators window, you click here on the F icon, you click it, then you go again on the moving average. We still have the same settings: period 1, shift 0, shift 10, method simple, apply to close, style blue, 4 pixels, and the color is blue. Okay, then we click, then we go back. We now have our settings. So once you now have this, you are ready to go. So with the zoom level, when you zoom in, you're just gonna zoom. When you zoom out like this, you're just gonna zoom in once like this, then you are good to go. So you now have your zoom level. Then let's talk about how this strategy works. So one, you're gonna wait here. So in boom, we are looking for opportunities where we can sell. We wait for this opportunity where when a spike occurs and it takes the RSI on level 90 here, you wait again on the main chart for the candles to cross. You must see the candles, the candle crossing the moving average, the blue line here, and then you take your sell. Wait for the candle to cross the moving average there. So once you now have you are done, you take your sell. So when are you going to exit? When are you going to also place your stop loss? Your stop loss, you must always put a stop loss. So your stop loss, you count 5 candles and you put your stop loss 5 candles above the the previous spike, above this previous spike, 5 candles, you put your stop loss here. So that some people might argue that why should you put a stop loss in boom and crash since it doesn't work? It helps you to limit your risk. Once there's no strategy that is at 100%. Once there is a spike and you have your stop loss, you'll be taken out of the market. Unlike a situation where you'll be waiting and thinking that the market will reverse. So it's wiser to put a stop loss, to always put your stop loss. And your take profit, you count 20 candles from your entry. So from here, we'll have how many candles? Let me zoom in so that we can count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So at this point, you are supposed to leave the market. 20 candles, but as you can see, the market kept on going down. So you can take 20 to 30 candles, then you leave your the markets. But I would advise that you only take 20, then you exit. 20 candles, then you're done. So that's basically how this works. So you wait one, the first condition, the moving average that is here on the indicators window has to reach level 90, and then the candles, these small red candles, have to cross this blue line, which is our moving average, and you count your 20 to 30 candles, then you exit the market. So let's look for more examples. Here again, we have the same setup. We have now this moving average crossing level 90. It's crossing, or it's on, or it's just touching level 90. On this point, this is what we have. Then on the main chart, we have the candles crossing below this blue line. Then you count your 20 to 30 candles. Okay, let's look for more examples. Again, here we have another example. You can see the moving average is touching level 90, and here we have candles which are crossing. Then we count our 20 to 30 candles, then we leave the market. So we have a lot of examples where this will be taking place. I don't want to make this video too long. Again, we have another example. So on a daily basis, you'll be having multiple opportunities to use this strategy. So let's go and look at an example in Crash. So in Crash, let's go to Crash 1000. So in Crash 1000, we're looking for opportunities where we can buy. This is the trade that I took on that video. Okay, then the market went up. Even after 20 candles, you see, it actually went up to this point. So you can take more than 20 candles. Can you please share with us where you're watching these videos from, and you can also insert your email address so that we can send you one of the best spike EAs that we have. One of my best. I also make EAs, so I'm gonna be sharing with you. If you send me your email address, just write it in the comment section, then I will send you a free EA. Please subscribe and like this video so that it can trigger the YouTube algorithm, so that this video can be suggested to more traders. So we have a lot of these examples. So in Crash, we have again here a situation where the moving average is touching level 10. Now we're concentrating on level 10, and then here the candles again on this point are crossing. Then you count your 10, your 20 to 30 candles, then you move out of the market. Then again here we have a similar example. You can see, let's look for more. Okay, here this one is fine. Again, we have an example and the market went up. So these examples are a lot. We have more and more examples. Again, on this point, we have again a situation where the market reached level 10, the moving average. Then again on the main chart we have the candles crossing the moving average going upwards. So we were going to count our 20 to 30 candles, then we move out of the market. So with this strategy works perfectly in boom and crash 1000, but you can also use it in boom 500 and also boom 300 or crash 300 and 500. Okay, let's go and look at examples. So these examples, we have a lot of these examples. We have a lot of these examples where this was taking place. So you can see we have multiple entries per day which you can use this strategy. Okay, let's go and look at let me start with boom 300. So what you have to do now is you have to reduce your candles in boom 300 and or boom 500. The spikes, they will happen more often, so you need to only take 5 to 10 candles, then you move out of the market. Then here we have an example of how this works. Okay, we can see now the moving average is touching level 90, and here the candles are crossing the blue line. Then we count our 5 to 10 candles, then we move out of the market. So it can actually work in this market. So here again, 5 candles, we have here this setup. Then we're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 candles, then we move out of the market. Okay, so we have a lot of these examples, and this moving average, it will try to avoid the spikes. So once the spikes are the market is done spiking, that's when you see this moving average crossing the these candles crossing the moving average. So that's an example in crash 300. Let's look for crash 300. Okay, in crash we're only going to be taking 5 to 10 candles, then we are done. Here we can see level 90, the moving average is on level 90, and here we count our candles 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we are done. You move out of the market. So 5, depending on the size of your account, you only take 5 to 10 candles, then you are done. Okay, here again we have another example. Then the market went up. So we have a lot of these examples. Okay, let's go and look at crash 500. Crash 500. We can see here we have an entry. And what happened? The market went up. Your 5 to 10 candles, then that's it. Again, here we have another entry. So these entries will be a lot. Okay, we have a lot of these entries. Okay, so this is how this strategy works. So in my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, if you're interested in trading and you are someone who doesn't like using indicators, you are interested in price action, I have a series that I've compiled, which I'll be sharing with you some of the secrets that I used. So with price action, it is one of the most accurate and most powerful strategies that you can use to trade anything, be it volatility, be it booming crash, be it any forex pair that you think of. If you know this is the most important information that you need to know as a trader. Relying on indicators is not enough. You need information. You need to understand how prices move. This is very vital. So in my next video, please check it out. Subscribe, like, and share these videos so that you don't miss out on this amazing information that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Please keep on supporting this channel. Share it with your friends Please also share your experiences and what you've discovered when using this strategy. With all that I've shared with you guys, I call it a day. Thank you so much. May you stay blessed and may you remain profitable. Let's go out there and make money.